Kedamtang aru nipa ingkoi rapor ni Rongbong ve along kedo St Paul High School along loke Charlie Klim Somaratum son thana hin kepaprang don thek jiaphan pura science and arts exhibition ajaimek dengpon. Ovi kimi ka Charlie o Somaratum phan son thana hin kapaprang don jiaphan pulote kapaching bai ta isi akenang sod do binongpu Father Justin Korean mathaponsi kedamtang aru nipa ingkoi rapor ni methang school a hemalong science and arts exhibition ajaimek padopon. Bangso ajaimek kedeng ponalong Little Flower High School, St Joseph High School, Rongbong High School apen kaprek school penta chetong dunsi Science and Arts Exhibition ajaimek along cepate dunlo. Bangso hut klim Somaratum India det pialong asona hormu lapen Northeast Travel Traditional kedoan Somaratum methang jungjung ke thegason chepaklang pon lapen alang tum ke thek pen kason sia hormuan than paklar pon rinti.
Labang siling lo lagi tin sumar ena siling lo lagi anu sumar siling lo.
Bangso mayalong aluhi sarpo aman pen Rongbong Police Station usi Jivan Marak lapen ahema soratum chetong dun lapen anparta ongdung usomar apaya po tumta chetong dun rinti.
St Paul High School Rongbong আজি সায়েন্স আৰু আৰ্টছ এক্সিবিশ্যন অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা হৈছে খুব ধুনীয়া পৰিৱেশ আৰু আমাৰ ফাদাৰে যিখিনি ইনিচিয়েটিভ লৈছে খুব ভাল লাগিছে আহি মেলি বহুতখিনি ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীয়ে ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া আপোনাৰ সায়েন্সৰ ওপৰত কিছুমান প্ৰজেক্ট বনাইছে আৰু আগন্তুক দিনত তেনেকৈ অনুষ্ঠান আৰু পাতিব বুলি আশা কৰিছোঁ খুব ভাল হৈছে
Bangso mayalong Father Justin Korean Clark pen than pachini pon atengki non malom loka Charlie o Somaratum penangan ke Charlie awarsai kavedet penajo kana hok thepik asonsi thekpon long o Somaratum bang phutin ta kaprek ke thegason kedo bongsita kabor I ponjia to warchi long thekthi Bangso joksi nilutum Bangso Science and Arts Exhibition ajaimek dengpona koklopusi ningje pon.
A remarkable day for St Paul's High School, Rongbong. And it is indeed a happy day for all the children, teachers, staff, because many people have come from near and far to witness this very exhibition, Science and Arts Exhibition conducted by St Paul's High School, Rongbong. Most of the children, they have participated well, they have exhibited their talents through different projects and different plans of the lessons here. And it's also a day for all of us to keep in mind that Science and Arts Exhibition always giving new ways to learn new things through the education, and this will also focus the very fact of giving quality education to children nearby in the society here in Rongbong.
Rongbong pen love sing terang karbiang long life.